Shankwai Laoldon, Jogantel, Sino Afro, Dadia Hao, Washi Foster FATAKI, Kings, Laoshi, Oliza Sino Afro. Guys, hope you're doing good. And today we are going to learn another unease dance tutorial. Hope you're ready, hope you enjoyed the class. Let's start. And the first move is first to stand straight. After standing straight, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. After here, we're gonna do 1, bounce, 2, boom, 3, pop, 4, tap, 5, pop, 6, tap, 7, pop, 8, tap. After here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and down. Tap, tap, down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4. When we reach here, we're gonna do 1, feel it, 2, boom, 3, pop, 4, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8, pop. When we reach here, a little breathing here. It's like freestyle here. After freestyle, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2. Open, X, open, X, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and freestyle. After freestyle, we're gonna do, see my hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then freestyle. After freestyle, we're gonna do 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, down, boom, down, boom, down, and 1 and 2, 3 and boom, 1, tap, 2, pop, 3, tap, 4, boom, 5 and 6 and 7, boom, 8 and a little bit. After freestyle, chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, and open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, tap, 2, pop, 3, tap, 4, tap, freestyle. After freestyle, again, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. After here, chorus, 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Pop. 1 and 2, 3, and 4. And open. X. Open. X. Open. X. Open. X. And boom. After 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And boom. Up to the end. Thank you guys for watching. Washi for FATAKI Kings. Laushi, Oliza, Sino Afro. Guys, see you next time. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Respect.